Hello, welcome to this video. So this problem will be about MC question about quadratic graph, and then the quadratic graph would be given in vertex form. But here you may not need skill about vertex form to handle this question. So anyway, with the vertex form, so statement 1 should be simple. So you can see that so the coefficients of x squared here will be 1 bigger than 0. So that's why the graph will opens upwards. So that's why statement 1 is correct. But for statement 2, so for statement 2, to find the y-intercept, once again the y-intercept of the graph. So y-intercept does not mean the y-coordinate of the vertex. So that's why here the y-intercept is not n. The y-intercept is not n. So that's why to find the y-intercept, we need to put x equals 0. So and then y will equals to n minus 0 squared and then plus n. And then there will be n squared plus n. Well, it seems that this expression consists of a perfect square and then plus something. It seems that it's positive, right? But here, so since n is a real number, so here if we try to take n equals negative 2m squared, such that that means if we try to take n in this way, so n is still real. So that's why it makes sense. So that's why y equals to m squared plus negative 2m squared. So which is negative m squared, which must not be positive here. So that's why you can see statement 2 is not true in this case. So that's why statement 2 may not be true. So statement 3, that's easy. So to see the graph pass through an arbitrary point or not, so we just try to put x equals n and y equals m into the corresponding graph equation. So here right hand side will be just the square of m minus n and then plus n. And of course you can simplify a bit, so that will be m squared minus 2mn and then plus n squared and then plus n, with left hand side only equals to n. So that's why, because left hand side does not equals to right hand side, so the graph does not pass through mm in general. So that's why statement 3 may not be correct. So that's why for this question, the correct option is option A. And that's all for this question. Thank you for watching.